In today's tutorial, I'll be breaking down the 7 best accounting software options that car dealerships can use to manage inventory, track sales, process payments, and keep their financials organized. Whether you're running a small used car lot or a growing multi-location dealership, the right accounting system can help you save time, reduce errors, and improve profitability. Before diving in, what makes a good accounting software for car dealerships? Now, the first thing I want you to look out for is inventory tracking for vehicles. So it should include purchase price, reconditioning costs, and sales price. Also, deal structuring, so managing down payments, financing, commissions, and taxes, and title management. So it should be able to track titles, liens, and paperwork. Also, repair order and service tracking, especially if you have a service department, and DMV or compliance-friendly reporting, depending on your state or country. And also integration with DMS, which stands for Dealer Management Systems, CRMs, and payment processors. Now that you know what criteria I use to create this list, let's dive in. By the way, I've left links in the description and pinned comment that you can use, and by using those links you'll help to support the channel. Let's dive in. At number 7, we have QuickBooks Online, one of the most widely used accounting platforms for small businesses, including auto dealerships. Some key features include dealership inventory tracking, expense management and bank reconciliation, customizable invoices and sale receipts. If we were to talk about the pros and cons of QuickBooks, it is easy to use and widely supported, and it integrates with several dealer management add-ons. The only pullbacks I would say is it is not specialized for dealership regulations and requires add-ons for complex deal structuring, but it is a good option for small dealerships that want simple bookkeeping and already use QuickBooks or need an accountant-friendly system. And their pricing is quite affordable also, as it starts off at $11.40 and it can go up to $82.50 depending on the amount of users and the features that you want. And taking the number 6 spot is Sage 50. Sage 50, a strong choice for dealerships that want accuracy and long-term financial tracking. It offers features like vehicle inventory control, job costing for repairs or reconditioning, and advanced reporting features. And if we were to talk about the pros and cons, when it comes down to Sage 50, it is very strong for financial accuracy, great for tracking vehicle reconditioning costs. The only pullbacks I have come across are more technical than cloud systems, and the user interface feels a bit outdated compared to modern tools. But it is a good option for dealerships that want powerful accounting accuracy and more detailed cost tracking. And their pricing, as you can see right here, starts off at $69 and it can go up to $198. And at number 5, we have DealerCenter. At number 5, we have DealerCenter, a tool specifically built for independent car dealerships. Some standout features include vehicle inventory management, accounting and DMS in one place, and also buy here, pay here tools for in-house financing. And if we were to talk about pros and cons, it is designed specifically for car dealers, great for buy here, pay here, and financing workflows. The only pullbacks are the interface can feel overwhelming and it requires onboarding to learn everything. But I would consider it the best option for independent dealerships that want DMS plus accounting combined in a single platform. And if we were to look at their pricing page, they offer numerous options, as you can see right here, depending on the features that you want. So for example, if you want a DMS feature, you can simply add it to the cart. If it is a case that you want the buy here, pay here feature, you can add it to the cart. So you can choose the specific features that you want depending on the type of dealership that you're running. And we're getting down to the top 4 now, including the best option for large dealerships and the best all-in-one DMS system, and the software that gives you the cleanest financial reporting. If you're finding this helpful so far, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe and stick around to see which software takes the number 1 spot. At number 4, we have Dealertrack DMS. At number 4, we have Dealertrack, a professional-grade dealership management system with strong accounting tools built in. Some key features include integrated accounting and deal jackets, and title tracking and document management, and real-time reporting across departments. And if we were to talk about the pros and cons, first starting with the pros, all-in-one dealership solution, ideal for multi-department operations, and when it comes down to pullbacks, it has a higher price point and more advanced than small dealerships need. But I would consider it best for franchise and mid-size dealerships that want DMS and accounting in a single ecosystem. And you can see while their pricing is not publicly available, it typically starts off at about $1,500 per month. And taking the number 3 spot is Fraser DMS. Fraser is one of the most trusted independent dealership management systems. Some standout features include vehicle inventory and deal management, integrated accounting, and buy here, pay here, and lender integration support. And if we were to talk about pros and cons, first starting with the pros, it is affordable. It also is built specifically for used and independent car lots. The only pullbacks are it is not as modern looking as newer cloud tools and limited beyond dealership specific workflows, but it is the best option for used car lots and small dealerships that want specialized dealership accounting at a good price. And talking about price, you can see right here that it starts off at desktop for $119 per month, and it can go up to $199. And taking the number 2 spot is none other than Xero, known for its clean design and strong financial reporting. Some standout features include bank reconciliation and expense tracking, inventory tools suitable for vehicle tracking, and large integration marketplace. And if we were to talk about pros and cons, it offers a great option for dealership performance, clean interface and unlimited users. The only pullback is it requires integration for deal or title management, and it is not dealership specific out of the box. But I would consider it a good option for dealerships that want modern cloud accounting and strong financial insights at a reasonable cost. And talking about costs, you can get started for as low as $2.90 per month, and it can go up to $7.50. And taking the top spot on our list is none other than AutoManager, which includes Dex Manager DMS combined with built-in accounting special. And taking the top spot is none other than AutoManager, which includes Dex Manager DMS combined with built-in accounting specifically for dealerships. Some standout features include full dealership accounting, vehicle inventory and deal structuring, buy here, pay here tools, contracts, paperwork, and financing, and repair order tracking for service departments. And if we were to talk about pros and cons, it is designed only for dealerships, and it handles titles, deals, financing, accounting, and inventory in one place. The only pullback is a higher learning curve, and the pricing varies based on modules, but I would consider it best for dealerships that want true all-in-one DMS and accounting tailored specifically for automotive businesses. And if we were to look at their pricing, you can see right here that you can get started for $70 if you want the web manager. And if it is a case that you want the Dex Manager online, it would be $77 per month. And you can see right here if you want the automotive CRM and text messaging and text marketing better yet, it would be $140. So here is a quick breakdown. If you want a simple bookkeeping option, I would recommend that you go with QuickBooks Online. If you want accurate financial control, Sage 50 is a good option. And if you're looking for the best independent dealership, I would recommend that you go with Dealertrack DMS. And if you're looking for best independent dealerships, and if you're looking for the best option for independent dealerships, DealerCenter is a good option. And best for franchise or mid-size options. And best for franchise or mid-size companies, I would recommend Dealertrack DMS. And best for used car lots, I would definitely recommend Fraser DMS. And best overall dealership system has to be AutoManager. And best modern cloud accounting, I would give it to 0. If you want help choosing the right one for your dealership, comment your dealership size, number of vehicles sold per month, and whether you do buy here, pay here, and I'll reply with the best match. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.